最大声是50。
Saya Robert Lenja Lukas, berasal dari Longmo Lepuk Tau. Saya memperkenalkan Batu Luyok. Batu Luyok, adat-adat kita yang lama semua ada orang di sana. Semua tinggal di sana. Dia macam rumah panjang lah. Di mana sampai Bali Dayung, sanalah dia punya spirit. Kita semua kerintuk lagu kita Kenyah ini semua ada di sana. Macam-macam bunyi yang boleh kita dengar untuk kita buat lagu. Sebab inilah satu-satunya sejarah ibu kepada bangsa-bangsa Kenyah yang lain. Kenyah Lepuk Tau ini hidup di Sungai Mo ini selama 200 tahun. Banyak ini paruh dia paruh lalu
during the ritual time, after ritual, the Bali would like to dance. So they love to dance, but during those days they use this called jatong dado. It's a long wooden drum made from kayu adau. The end where they beat the drum is made from the deer skin. So all this tune, the beat, when they play, they have their own names according to the Bali. They play different tunes, all sort of tune, Then the Bali Dayung instruct them to make Sampe. They can still play the same tune, the same beat, but the same sound, the same name from the Bali. So instruct them to take a wood like this and then carve it by using the charcoal. After they make it, they make like a board, but make hole from behind here. Carve it, everything nicely, and until it's done, then they ask them to do the ritual again. Then the Bali go inside the shamanic person, the Dayung. Then this Bali that goes into the person will teach, this is the tune that you will play for me. That is the sound, Letata. The name of the Bali, Letata.
Aitaran ngadan na. Inanya man sampai na chen silat tenyabe ka ini na cena sampai dayong ina na njau tanyit ina ngadan ya man laa inanya ca pakai pabe nak kini reta ma pete doon no dere na be do naik laa on dulu metet petuya daw kamin inalan na daw ya cerita na
according to the other here, he is 81 years old. So this Sampe has been around those days. First thing what we did earlier on, we take out all the old strings, and then some of the fruit was dropped out. Okay, then we go and stretch the remaining of this udap, which is stuck there, become hardened, so it won't stuck again. See? So after we stretch it, then put new string and put the new fret. We are using this fishing line string, this stainless steel made in Japan. At this moment we use this fishing line because it's very long. So when it's long, when we play, the sound is longer. Traditionally, we use the root of another palm tree
which we use for fishing rod.
Lengkang kangkung. Saya suka musik dan saya mau buat dia. Zaman sekarang, zaman kita orang ini tidak ada lagi teguran itu yang perempuan tak boleh main sampai. Tak ada lagi. Sebab sekarang tidak ada lagi pantang larang dia. Kita boleh main. Saya dengan kawan saya awek tu, kami dua macam kalau berkumpul kami dua sama-sama belajar. Kamu boleh tenangkan fikiran. Kamu boleh terus tidur bila dengar petikan sampai tu.
According to the sound meter, the loudest sound is 72 decibels. The quietest is 48.9 decibels.
One great thing that I learned when he invited me to Hong Kong to play with the 90 plus players, one of the best orchestra in the world from Hong Kong. Because of using of the cordless mic, they put it inside my Sampe. Because when I look around surrounding, nobody is using pickup. Everything was so natural. The sound come out from there is all natural. The sound is so nice, stereo sound.
Orchestra play together with Sampe, and the Sampe sound needed to be transparent. It shouldn't be overshadow on. You need to play louder in order to be heard from the audience side. So this is the one that I concern about, because Sampe is so beautiful. Ding 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 ding. The natural decorations.
If you use pickup, the sound is different. It's sharp, but why let go the old? See, it's more gentle.
I do some study. The first thing is because of the noise pollution in the city, the car, distant traffic noise. The second one is because of the acoustic condition of the longhouse. It's different with the today's modern concert hall or we play in the city. It's cause our sounds better and more beautiful in the longhouse. We always take temperatures. We also record down the humidities. In the longhouse, the temperature is low. The density of the air is higher. The sound passes through the air is slower. sounds louder. So these are two aspects. Those elements is affected. Some playing the sound qualities in longhouse, in forest, than in the city.
Maximum 81 decibels and minimum is 71 decibels. Humidity is 83%. Temperature is at 28.7 degrees Celsius.
Wokcau sebenarnya berasal dari kampung Longmo berbangsa Kenyah. Dan tempat ini adalah tempat dia mencari sesuap nasi kehidupan. Terasa tertipulah setelah kita bekerja pergi ke bandar. Habis di bandar terasa tidak nyaman bekerja. 6 bulan itu sebenarnya saya sudah di perdagangan manusia. Saya bekerja seperti waktu pemerintahan Jepun. Dia sangat rasa tak puas hati lah. Bukan kadang-kadang, hari-hari rasa marah karena diperlakukan seperti binatang. Itulah masa yang paling sulit. Makan pun tak ada. Mau isap rokok pun tak dapat beli rokok. Mau pergi minum kopi, pergi curi-curi ikut orang punya bilik lah, tumpang minum kopi. Itu habis sudah. Selepas itu kita sukses sudah belajar main jatuh hutang. Selepas itu saya sudah kenal sama ini Encik Salomon. Last minute kami dua tiba-tiba jadi geng, sudah belajar ni sampai jatuh hutang. Sampai sekarang bersama sudah saya dengan itu kawan saya yang bernama Salomon. Kau berasal dari Longikar, tapi sebenarnya dia orang itu dari kampung Longmo, Lepuk tahu.
I was around 4-5 years old. Then I heard a tune, very nice tune. Then I saw one man. He was doing a movement follow the tune just now. My grandmother was playing the same tune from the tape again. When I heard it, I remember that movement. Wow, I start to, then my grandmother say, oh, my grandson can dance. Because of her encouragement, she saw me to the crowd, to people, anybody, This encouragement make me feel like dancing. Years ago, I realized when the people start to go into modernize that melody, I feel that, oh my goodness, they're going to kill, not to kill lah, If they enjoy doing the Western music, using it, and then of course the younger one thought that is how it sound like. The danger is where the traditional might be forgotten. So that's why we and a few of us, we start to revive the traditional before it's gone. This is what we've been doing, and we continue to make the traditional alive and document it, tell our get ready our children so that grandchildren say that they know, oh, this is traditional, what is the story behind, what is the custom tradition behind. When modern, modern is modern lah, you know what I mean. So this is what we have been trying to do, and hopefully it become beneficial to all the generation to come.